Transform your skin overnight with these amazing natural beauty hacks. Hey, gorgeous people. Welcome back to Nutricion. Today's video is all about something we can all relate to, the quest for flawless skin. Let's face it, we've all been there, the days when we wake up, look in the mirror, and think, what happened to my skin overnight? It's like our skin has a mind of its own, right? But fret not, because in this video, I'm spilling the beans on how to conquer those skin struggles and achieve the skin you've been dreaming of. We all know the frustration of wanting quick results, but here's the deal, we're going beyond the quick fixes and diving deep into the realm of natural beauty hacks. No more harsh chemicals, no more empty promises, just tried and true methods that are safe, effective, and oh so amazing. So, if you're ready to wake up to skin that's smoother, brighter, and totally rejuvenated, you're in the right place. From pre-bedtime rituals to overnight masks that work their magic while you catch those Z's, we've got it all covered. Are you excited? Because I sure am. Let's jump right in and unlock the secrets to transforming your skin overnight with these incredible natural beauty hacks. Number 1. Pre-bedtime preparation. Alright, let's kick things off with a game-changing routine that sets the stage for your skin's nighttime transformation. Think of it as a little self-care ritual before you hit the sack. Trust me, your skin will thank you in the morning. Now, picture this. After a long day of battling the world, your skin is covered in a layer of sweat, dirt, and makeup, the perfect recipe for unwanted guests on your face, like pimples and blackheads. Ick. This is where our pre-bedtime prep steps in. Think of it as your superhero cape for your skin. First things first, we're talking about cleansing, and not just any ordinary cleansing. We're talking about a thorough, deep cleansing session. Why, you ask? Well, it's simple. Your skin needs a clean canvas to work its magic overnight. So, wave goodbye to that makeup and impurities by using a gentle cleanser. And here's a pro tip, if you're a makeup lover like me, consider double cleansing. That's right, a two-step process where you start with an oil-based cleanser or micellar water to break down stubborn makeup, and then follow up with a water-based cleanser to clean out any leftover gunk. But wait, there's more. Ever heard of a gentle exfoliating scrub? It's like a mini spa treatment for your face. Imagine sloughing off those dead skin cells that are just hanging around, making your skin look dull and tired. With a gentle exfoliating scrub, you're giving your skin a chance to breathe, regenerate, and get its glow on. Just remember, it's all about being gentle, no need to scrub like you're cleaning a dirty floor. Your skin deserves a loving touch. So, there you have it, step 1 in our skin transformation journey, pre-bedtime preparation. Cleanse, double cleanse if you're feeling fancy, and treat your skin to a little exfoliation. Your skin will thank you by revealing its radiant potential in the morning. But hey, don't go anywhere because we've got more skin-loving secrets coming right up. Number 2. Hydration and nourishment. Alright, beautiful souls, let's dive into the next stop on our skin transformation journey, hydration and nourishment. Picture your skin as a thirsty plant, it needs water to thrive, and boy, does it show. Hydration isn't just a skincare buzzword, it's the real deal. Think of your skin as a living canvas that needs to be moisturized from the inside out. Imagine waking up to skin that's plump, supple, and ready to conquer the world. That's the magic of hydration, my friends. But here's the thing, we're not stopping at drinking water. We're taking it up a notch with a bedtime hydration boost. Ever tried a hydrating mask or aloe vera gel before hitting the hay? These gems work while you sleep, infusing your skin with moisture and leaving you feeling like you just had a spa day in dreamland. And guess what? The hydration party doesn't stop there. We've got our natural oil game strong. Imagine pampering your skin with a few drops of rosehip or jojoba oil. It's like giving your skin a cozy, moisturizing hug before it settles in for the night. These oils aren't just any oils, they're packed with vitamins and antioxidants that nourish your skin to the max. And here's a little secret, they also help lock in all that goodness from your hydrating mask or aloe vera gel. It's like a dynamic duo for your skin. But remember, hydration isn't just an overnight affair. It's a 24/7 commitment. So don't forget to guzzle down that water throughout the day. It's like giving your skin a constant source of refreshment from the inside. Trust me, your skin will thank you by looking and feeling radiant, and you'll be the envy of all your friends. So, whether it's a hydrating mask, aloe vera gel, natural oils, or simply staying hydrated throughout the day, make hydration and nourishment a priority. Your skin will reward you with that healthy, radiant glow you've always dreamed of. Number 3. Herbal steam for skin detoxification. Alright, lovely folks, let's venture into the world of ultimate relaxation and detoxification, herbal steam. Imagine treating yourself to a soothing spa experience right in the comfort of your own home. I'm talking about a facial detox that'll leave your skin feeling as fresh as a daisy and ready to tackle anything. Now, you might be wondering, what's herbal steam and how do I get on this train? Well, buckle up because it's about to get seriously good. Herbal steam involves using the power of nature to open up your pores, say goodbye to impurities, and welcome that dewy glow we're all after. To set the stage for this luxurious treat, gather some chamomile, lavender, and mint, trusty ingredients that are like a spa day in a bag. Boil some water, throw in a handful of these fragrant herbs, and let the steamy goodness work its magic. As you hover over the pot, let the steam envelop your face like a warm hug. This isn't just about detoxifying your skin, it's a whole relaxation journey for your senses. But wait, what's the science behind this herbal steam enchantment? Well, when you let that steam work its way into your pores, they open up like little gateways to skin nirvana. It's like giving your skin room to breathe, to release all those impurities that have been causing trouble. And guess what? Steaming also boosts circulation, bringing fresh blood and nutrients to the surface, leaving you with a natural, healthy glow. However, my friends, a little caution is in order. While you're basking in the steamy goodness, remember not to get too close. We're aiming for relaxation, not a steam facial of the ouch variety. Keep a comfortable distance to avoid any unexpected encounters with burns. So, there you have it, a luxurious herbal steam session that detoxifies, rejuvenates, and transports you to a world of pure relaxation. Your skin will be singing praises, and you'll be floating on cloud 9. Number 4. Overnight face masks. Alright, my fellow beauty enthusiasts, get ready to take your nighttime routine up a notch with a skincare secret that's bound to leave you waking up to a whole new level of radiance. We're talking about the superhero of skincare, the overnight face mask. It's like a sleepover party for your skin, and trust me, it's an invite you won't want to miss. Now, picture this. You slather on a mask before bedtime, hit the pillow, and voila! While you catch your beauty sleep, the mask is working hard to give you a complexion that'll have you doing double takes in the morning. But here's the cool part, you don't need a fancy store-bought mask to make this magic happen. Nope, we're going natural and whipping up our own DIY concoctions right in the comfort of our kitchens. Think honey, yogurt, and a pinch of turmeric, ingredients that are basically your skin's best friends. Honey, it's like liquid gold for your skin. Packed with natural goodness, it hydrates, soothes, and brightens your complexion. Yogurt, it's your skin's dream snack, loaded with probiotics and lactic acid that gently exfoliate and promote a healthy glow. And turmeric, this golden spice brings the anti-inflammatory game, helping with any unwelcome redness and irritation. But, and it's a big but, before you go all in with these masks, do a little patch test first. We're all unique, and our skin can surprise us with sensitivities. Apply a small amount of your mask on a discrete area and wait a bit to make sure there's no unexpected drama. So, how do these masks work their magic while you snooze? Well, your skin goes into superhero mode while you're catching those Z's. It's in full repair and rejuvenation mode. By layering on these powerhouse ingredients, you're giving your skin the support it needs to wake up with a smoother texture, even tone, and an undeniable glow. So, there you have it, overnight face masks that turn your beauty sleep into a spa session. With a sprinkle of honey, a dollop of yogurt, and a dash of turmeric, you're on your way to complexion paradise. Number 5. Silk pillowcases and hair care. Hey, gorgeous dreamers, it's time to talk about two bedtime buddies that are about to revolutionize your beauty sleep, silk pillowcases and hair care. Trust me, these are the unsung heroes that'll have you waking up with a smile on your face and fabulous hair to match. Let's start with the magic of silk pillowcases. Imagine resting your head on a cloud of pure luxury every night. That's the sensation you get when you switch to a silk pillowcase. But it's not just about the fancy feels, silk is like a secret agent for your skin and hair. You know those pesky sleep lines that sometimes stick around on your face. Silk helps reduce friction, so you can say goodbye to those morning creases. Plus, it's a total win for your hair too. No more morning hair chaos and less breakage. That's what we call a win-win situation. And speaking of hair, here's the deal, your hair deserves some nighttime TLC too. Imagine minimizing hair breakage and frizz while you snooze. It's all about being mindful of how you position your hair before you drift off into dreamland. Consider tying your hair back loosely to prevent unnecessary contact with your face. This not only keeps your hair out of the way, but also reduces the chances of transferring oils and products onto your skin. But hey, we're not stopping at just tying your hair back. How about a little nighttime hair care routine? Think of it as a bedtime ritual for your locks. Before you hit the pillow, apply a bit of leave-in conditioner or a hair oil to keep your tresses nourished throughout the night. Trust me, your hair will thank you in the morning by looking all shiny and ready to slay the day. So, there you have it, the power of silk pillowcases for your skin and hair, and some simple hair care steps to elevate your beauty sleep game. It's all about the details, and these little touches are what set you on the path to waking up looking and feeling amazing. Number 6. Beauty sleep and stress reduction. Hey there, dream chasers. It's time to talk about something that's not just essential for beauty, but for your overall well-being, beauty sleep and the magic of stress reduction. You see, there's a reason they call it beauty sleep. It's like hitting the reset button for your skin and your soul. Let's get real for a moment. Quality sleep isn't just a luxury, it's a must for your skin's regeneration. Imagine your skin cells going into turbo mode while you're catching those Z's. It's like Mother Nature's way of giving your skin the time it needs to repair, rejuvenate, and come back stronger and more radiant. But how do you ensure you're getting the most out of your beauty sleep? Well, it's all about creating a bedtime routine that's as calming as a gentle breeze. Consider winding down with a good book, practicing some meditation, or simply indulging in a cup of herbal tea. These small acts of self-care signal to your body that it's time to relax and release all that stress you've been carrying around. Speaking of stress, let's talk about how it impacts your skin. When you're stressed, your body releases a hormone called cortisol, which can wreak havoc on your skin by leading to breakouts, inflammation, and even premature aging. Yikes. But here's the cool part. By reducing stress, you're giving your skin a fighting chance. It's like sending a positive message to your complexion, hey, we're cool, calm, and collected over here. So, beautiful souls, let me leave you with this. Sleep and relaxation aren't just extras, they're essentials. Prioritizing your beauty sleep and finding ways to reduce stress are like giving your skin a VIP pass to its very own spa retreat. Your skin will reward you with that unmistakable glow, and your whole being will thank you for feeling rejuvenated, inside and out. So, whether it's catching those essential Z's, practicing mindfulness, or finding your own path to relaxation, remember that beauty isn't just skin deep, it's a holistic journey that starts from within. Sweet dreams, beautiful souls, and don't forget to cherish those moments of self-care and tranquility. You've got this. And there you have it, radiant souls. We've journeyed through a treasure trove of natural beauty hacks that are poised to revolutionize your skin and self-care routine. Remember, transforming your skin isn't an overnight miracle, it's a beautiful journey that requires a sprinkle of patience and a dash of consistency. So, embrace your unique beauty, treat yourself kindly, and remember that you're already a stunner in your own right. Thank you from the depths of my heart for joining me on this adventure. Your support means the world to me. If you enjoyed these tips and tricks, don't forget to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you haven't already, hit that magical subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss out on more beauty and self-care goodness. Your subscription isn't just a click, it's a nod to self-love and discovery. Now, let's keep this journey going beyond the video. I'm eager to hear about your experiences with these beauty hacks, so don't be shy, share your stories, triumphs, and even your challenges in the comments. We're in this together. And before I sign off, remember to stay tuned for more exciting videos coming your way. We'll be exploring even more beauty secrets, self-care routines, and holistic wellness topics that'll have you glowing from the inside out. Until then, take care, keep shining, and never forget, you are a masterpiece and your beauty deserves to be celebrated every single day. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.